Alright guys, welcome back to another trade plan. Today is 19th of October. Uh, Now, on Friday's session, if you were watching the end of day, you would have seen that we had kind of like a little sell-off, right? Which is I have no reason to worry about this move lower, as it's most likely liquidation, as in all the guys that are trying to buy here, trying to buy. They just basically get run over and they have to sell their positions, and that causes some selling, 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 but it's not really um, aggressive sellers or anything that would push this market or try to keep it lower, right? Because aggressive sellers defend prices, um, liquidation, people that are getting out of positions are not going to care to defend a price, right? Because they're getting out. So they're very different in nature. So you are either going to see an aggressive move, right? And this is my mentorship students. They understand this as a sweep. Um, so basically, in simple terms, a fast or aggressive move down, right? So basically, like a very sharp move is either going to be held, okay, near the lows and be accepted, or it's going to completely retrace, right? And then the market is going to reset from that point. Okay? So whenever you see the market just kind of completely recovering an entire move, you know that it wasn't a real um, aggressive, you know, um, move down with conviction. Okay? So that's just something to note. Now, going into today's session, we are going to be focusing on the point of control of Friday. So it's going to be right here. It's going to be this line in the sand. So basically above here we're going to be bullish. Let's mark out this swing low right here. And there's really nothing else going on. It's pretty boring in terms of references. Just keep an eye out for this point of control, okay? As long as we stay above this, okay, we should be okay for the upside, okay? If we stay below this and we just manage to hold, then you're gonna see that this sell-off attracted some sellers, right? And they're gonna try to push prices lower. Okay, but if those guys can't hold the market up, I mean hold the market down, we're very likely just to continue seeing higher prices. All right, let's move on to the NQ. Let's move this over right here. And let's take this out. We don't need this anymore. And if you can probably tell here, we have a poor high, meaning it's very likely to be taken out. And that's going to be it. Same idea as the ES. Okay, as long as we stay below this, sellers can control the market. If we get above this, buyers are very likely to control this and push this up towards a poor high and to higher prices. Okay. Now, last but not least, the YM. Above, we're bullish. No longer need a poor high. Took it out. No longer need this point of control. We do want to mark out the swing. swing low. All right, we have a good excess low right here, so this is a good sign for buyers. Okay, this is a good structure, okay, to leave behind. If it was a poor structure, then you might be a little bit worried if things start to get weak up here. Okay, but this is a good low, okay, and things are looking pretty strong. So as long as we really hold um, above this 28,600, I really just very likely chances that we just continue ripping higher, take out this imbalance. Okay, and then we see 2900s. But yeah, that's gonna be pretty much it. If you guys have any questions, you guys are free to reach out to me on the futures chat room right here if you don't know about it already. The link is in the description. Don't forget to like, comment if you have any questions, or subscribe if you haven't. And thanks for watching, guys.